So we did a lot this week. Went over some pretty detailed information, some strategies. First, we looked at gathering sources, secondary sources, and looking at finding peer-reviewed articles via the databases. As you recall, peer-reviewed articles are those reviewed by the writer's peers. In this case, other scholars and experts in the field. EBSCO, ProQuest make that easy to do, easy to find those kinds of articles. These form the basis of the research we do throughout our undergraduate and graduate careers and into our professions. Next, we looked at reading strategies, watched a video by Thomas in which he gives his view specifically on tailoring our strategies based on how we're going to be assessed, and the different techniques for active reading, including input-based methods, that is, same amount of time regardless of how much work, and output-based methods, same amount of work produced regardless of the time. In any case, taking notes, writing summaries is always a good idea so that you got it and you can work with it. Then we looked at citation sandwiches a little bit, the technique for it, the different ways that we integrate source material into our writing, not just dropping it in, writing into it, including it, and then writing out of it by looking back and saying something about that source material so that a reader knows why you're including it in the first place. Then we looked at different aspects of document design. I asked you to look at, table of contents, hard page breaks, using styles and that kind of thing. All part of rhetorical effectiveness. You want to get good at it so your documents look good. Finally, we reviewed the rhetorical situation terms, and I asked you to analyze the situation that your own project is, and make sense of who your audience is, not just a name, but kind of who they are as a person in that organization. Also, your purpose and purposes, secondary, tertiary, maybe. Also, the exigence. Why do you care at this moment? What is it pushing you to do it? Those kinds of things here. And that was a lot. Good job, everybody. Looking forward to what's going to happen next.